Hi, bro. It's about 20 after 9 Sunday morning, and we're going to get some coffee and some breakfast. My bad if my voice sounds a little weird. I like just woke up like 20 minutes ago. We were out on a boat all day yesterday, bro. I got completely cooked. Like, I'm sunburned all over. This shit sucks. Not gonna lie. But we going to grab some coffee and breakfast for me and Michaela. I gotta go to her parents' house, get our crumble cookie. Her parents were in Pittsburgh and they grabbed us some crumble cookie. We're there out there, so I'm gonna go pick that up. Actually, I've never had Taco Bell breakfast. The only reason I'm getting this is because I tried my buddies at work yesterday, like just a bite, and I'm not gonna lie, that shit was kind of crazy. But I've never actually like ordered Taco Bell breakfast. But I think it was it's like the sausage crunch wrap. So that's what I'm about to get here. We had to go to Dunkin to pick up the coffee.
Hi, welcome to the Bell. What can I get started for you today?
Can I do 2 sausage breakfast crunch wraps, please?
Sure thing. What else can I get for you today?
And then just 2 hash browns, please.
Alrighty. Can I get you anything else today?
That'll be it.
Any sauce packets for your order?
No, thank you.
Alrighty, is everything on the screen looking good for you today?
Yes.
Alright, you can pull forward. It'll be $14.80 at your second window, please.
Thank you. Dude, is that tax for breakfast? 14 something? 14, 15 bucks? For 2 crunch wraps and 2 hash browns? I feel like that's kind of tax, low-key, you know? Like 14 bucks. I could have went and got a dozen eggs, gallon of milk, fucking cereal, and been set for like a week. All right, thank you.
right today.
Thank you.
Yeah, you have a good one, dude.
You too.
Thank you.
Bro, that's like one thing about this car, man. Like, you can't see shit past this. Like, we did not make any eye contact at all. Because I'd have to like awkwardly like crack my neck, break my neck, or like slouch hella. Which like is kind of a complaint. Like, you can't really see past this, but I mean, I don't know, man. It's a coupe, 2-seater coupe. Like, I wouldn't really expect the best visibility in this car, to be honest. I think that might be a video I make though, is like 10-15 things I don't like about my car. Just like little things that they probably could have done better. I might make one of those videos soon in the future. But that would not be included. That's just kind of like, I don't know, man. It's just kind of a given if you're getting a car like this. Damn. Alright, I better resume this when I get closer into the line.
Have a nice day.
You too, thank you. Damn, that thing full, yo. I gotta go pick up one more thing at Michaela's parents'. Oh, shit's gonna, yep, there's fucking already coffee leaking everywhere. Damn. That shit never gets old. Alright, we secured the crumble. Dude, my GoPro's hot as hell. I think this thing might overheat. It's like one flaw with this camera. This thing always wants to overheat after like not even 20 minutes. the fucking shift noise. Oh my god, dude.